In this video, you will learn how to add a Reddit community. Log into Reddit, open Reddit in your browser or app, then sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure your Reddit account is at least 30 days old and meets all of Reddit's requirements. Click to create a community. On desktop, go to your sidebar, then select Create Community. On mobile, tap your profile icon and look for Create a Community option. Enter your community name. Choose a unique name for your subreddit. This name could not be changed once it is created, so make sure you pick carefully. Select community type. Decide whether your community will be public, restricted or even private. Customize. Customize your settings. Add a description, rules and any initial settings like flair or posting guidelines. Click create. Confirm your details and click create. Your new Reddit community will now be live. Now you know how to add a Reddit community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.